Hi, welcome to another week of Magic School Tools. Today we will look at the Survey Creator. So as always, sign into your Magic School, go to Magic Tools, and then search for the Survey Creator card. When you find Survey Creator, select it. Remember, you can type it into your search tools if you want, or just scroll through and find Survey Creator. So here is my Survey Creator, and this is what Survey Creator looks like. It's going to create a survey to collect information or solicit feedback. You have the grade level, you have the number of questions, and you have the topic of survey. So the first thing is the grade level. You want to have a professional staff grade level because if you write in adult content or adult language, it's going to say that it's not appropriate for children. So we want to say professional staff in the grade level. But in the topic of the survey is where we will point out the detail that they are adult students. Next is the number of questions. You can have up to 5, 10, 15, or 20. For today, I'll leave it at 5. The topic of survey is basically what topic do you want the survey to be? So here you can see I wrote adult student feedback about the adult school English class they are enrolled in. Ask them about what they thought of the class, ask them what they would want different. These students are low-level English speakers and readers. So the survey language needs to be at a second grade reading level for adults. So that was my topic of survey. Then you're just going to scroll down and select Generate. Now it went ahead and created a 5-question student feedback, but I want you to notice that even though the survey, I like the English class I'm taking, they're using strongly agree, agree, neutral, disagree, strongly disagree. And that might not be a good reading level for your students. So I will ask it to regenerate something else. So back down here where it says send a message, I will say change the wording to easier wording for the 1 to 5 answers. Students need easier language. And now I will select the submit button. Now it regenerates the survey and you can see instead of agree, it says I really like it. I like it. It's okay. I don't like it. I really don't like it. From here, to get it into a survey format, you will export it to Google Forms. So select export, then select to Google Forms, and then export, then select open form, and now you have the quiz. You can rename the quiz by clicking up here at the top and changing the name, student feedback, and then you will want to edit. You can edit anything in here by just clicking on the line and editing what you want. Notice it does have an answer key because it made it a quiz. If you don't want it as a quiz, you must go to the settings and where this says make this a quiz over here on the right, deselect. And now when you go back to the questions, there won't be any points associated with it. From here, you can publish it and you can take the link, shorten it, copy it, and of course, send it to students to fill out. I hope this helps and that you can now do a survey easily and quickly.